First you sit in Vajrasana, then you do Ustrasana and breathe for 10 seconds. After then Bhujangasana, hold for breathe 10 seconds. Next, Gomukhasana, hold for breathe 10 seconds. Next, Parvatha Asana, hold for breathe 10 seconds. Next, Janu Shavasana, hold for breathe 10 seconds. Next, Ashtanga Asana, hold for breathe 10 seconds. Next, Savasana for deep sleep. Next, and last, Surya Namaskar for heartfully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Like, share and comment.